Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you a new product I received, that they are these beautiful earrings. Okay, it says that it's a boho leaf dangle earring, dangle drop earrings. Okay, so I'm going to open it and then I'm going to show you. I think these ones are a perfect gift. Maybe if you have like a birthday of your friend, of your mom, of your grandma, I don't know, but look, they're really beautiful. This ones has like some leaves and it has like texture, so I think it looks perfect. Okay, so now they I receive it in the best moment because I think that these ones match with my outfit. And another thing is that like it has black like a rose gold color, I think, yeah, and silver. I think it will match perfect with any outfit you have. So I'm going to put it and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I like the package like this, like it has like a rose color. Okay, so I think it looks perfect for giving it like a gift. Maybe this one you can put like a bone or something else, and I think it will look perfect. Okay, here it's the first one and I'm going to be putting it here. Okay, like that. And then, well, it has like this to put it in the back part. Okay, and there it is. And the second one, well, they're really like not heavy, and I like that part because I don't like that the earrings like this, because when the earrings are like heavy. So this one, I think it's perfect. Really, it's like having nothing because they're not heavy. So that is how it looks. Okay, I think it looks really beautiful, the colors, and I think they're perfect. Okay, let me show you the other way. What do you think about it? Wow, I like it a lot. Okay, I want to put my hands there so that you can see how it looks. Wow, really, they're so beautiful. Wow, I like it a lot. I hope you like it too.